RPGT rates, as you can see, it has undergone an evolution over the past many years. All right, from 1995 up to the year 2007, the rates have been 30, 20, 15, 5. Then after that is 0%. These are all for individual tax, personal tax. There was an exemption period from 2007 to 2009, whereby you're not subject to tax. But then after that, you realize that the tax rates have been gradually increasing from year to year. All right. The latest, of course, is of course the 15% for the first 2 years and 10% for the next 3. One interesting thing I'd like to highlight to the listeners is this. If you notice from the tax rates revision, and for those who are in the know, for people like us in the profession, one very interesting point to note is that the tax rates, as far as the Real Property Gains Tax Act is concerned, it has always been 30, 20, 15, 5, and 0. It has always been this until today. But the interesting point to note, how did the rates then was revised accordingly? Before Casey chases me up from the chat room for talking nonsense, I better clarify what do I mean by this. Okay, the rates has been always this, but the changes has been affected through this thing called the statutory order. Statutory order. This statutory order acts like a filter, if I can, so to say. This filter was in fact a plug between this period in 2007 to 2009, whereby something was placed directly here, and the rates nothing flowed through, so it became 0 all the way through. After that, the plug was removed, changed with the filter, 5% came all the way through. After that, filter was replaced again, so on and so forth, until the current year is 15, 15, 10, 10, 10. The rates for the serious property investors, or if I may use the term flippers, may not be that dramatic. 15, 15, 10, 10, 10. There's money to be made. Pay additional 5%, no big deal. But what I would like to highlight is this, that remember the situations of where the filter keep on changing. The filter changes. There's also meaning to say that there may not be a need for this filter anymore in the near future. And we do foresee that, or rather personally, I do foresee that the tax rates, the RPGT rates after the elections is probably going to go up again, because rates have to be maintained at a very marginal, incremental increase just to make the rakyat and also the developers happy, so that the profits will still keep on moving. That's in my honest opinion. And once the election is over, I foresee that the rates may just there will still be the next revision upwards again. So this is a big question mark that we have to look out for moving forward after the elections. This is going to affect us, the property investors, how our property investments decision. Now, just to touch on the tax audit issues affecting property investors, like I said, again, we must not, honestly, we can't really fault the usual